Hi guys, today I will be showing you a quick chocobar recipe using Oreo biscuits with the packet. This is a fun recipe and tastes yum. Guys, you just have to try it at least once.
So let's make it. We need 3 small Oreo packets, the 5 rupees ones, or you can also use the 10 rupees ones. Do not throw the packets, cut them straight like I am doing on the top because we are going to use the packets as ice cream molds. Add the biscuits into a blender with some milk and blend it smooth. Divide the mixture into 2, pour directly into the packets. This recipe serves for 2. Use a glass as a stand so that the ice cream will set in shape. We will be freezing the mixture for 5 to 6 hours. In between, when the ice cream gets little chilled and thickened, insert the ice cream sticks or plastic spoon in the middle of the packets and let them freeze fully till it hardens.
After the chocobars are set completely, now you have to hurry. Quickly cut the cover and remove it off. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every week.
I am using chocolate sauce, or you can also use melted dairy milk with some milk depending on the thickness which you want.
If you want thicker mixture, add less milk while you are melting it down, or if you want thin mixture, add more milk.
Dip the chocobars into the melted chocolate and there you have the basic chocobars. If you like, you can also add some coarsely grounded dry fruits, and you can also add some sprinkles or sugar if you want to. So if you are new to my channel, watch my other Oreo recipes too if you are interested. I will link them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipes. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you still didn't. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.